In this video, we are going to see how to create a UI design. So, we are going to make what are the requirements which we use for interactions. So that will come in UI design. So we are going to have score and then I score and then gasoline. The plane is going to have some fuel system, so that is called gasoline. For aeroplane they will say as a gasoline. So once the user start moving in certain direction, you want to refill the fuel, so you want to get that power. So that's why we are going to see progression of a fuel, and then we are going to have a restart game button. Once user either failed or he like to restart the game, he can able to, we want to give that option. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so in order to make the UI system in Unity, we are going to use UI canvas system. Okay, so with the help of a canvas, we are going to achieve the UI system. So let's see how to do that. So right click and then click on UI, and then I'm going to add the image. Okay, if you see, the image has been done. I'm going to click on the anchor position. It's going to be top. Okay, so I'm going to have a top. So if you press shift and alt, you can choose this system. So you can choose wherever accordingly. So the shortcut to use in keyboard is shift plus alt. Make sure that select and press whichever the position you like to have, so that it will be fit perfectly. It's going to have UIDG. Okay, so it has been done. Now let me make some color changes. Okay, this is perfect now. Okay, so we are going to have text mesh pro. So this is the latest version of a text, so it gives some crystal clear kind of color. So import that package. It comes with Unity. You don't want to do any plugins or kind of things, it will come predefined. Okay, it has been done now. So this is going to be scope. Okay, yes, going to be caps and the value. Okay, if you like to change a font, you can choose a font, anything you like to have. So I'm going with the default font. Score and then duplicate, and then next we are going to use I score to duplicate. Select the particular text and press Ctrl D, or either you can right click and click on duplicate. Okay, it's your choice. I score. Okay, and then next we are going to have, third one is gasoline. Okay, so these are the three systems it's going to have. We can either change it, make bold, and if you like to change color, we can give. So if you see, I score size is a little bit small, increase the size. If you like to do wrapping off, you can do that. Okay, everything done. Let me make middle center. Okay, now you want to arrange left, choose anchor position to left corner, and I score, choose anchor position to top middle. So it will be little bit less left, I think. Yeah, This is a perfect place. So let me change now a little bit. Okay. Okay. And then gasoline. Otherwise you can choose all the three and choose like this, so that you can able to change accordingly. So everything is middle center now, you can change perfectly. So use shift plus alt, I already told that. So I have done using a shift plus alt. Let me change color a little bit so that I don't have any issue in showing that. Little bit dull kind of color. Okay, this is fine, but I don't think this kind of BG, this amount of BG is required. Little bit small. Okay, drag and drop now. It's fine. So let's rename everything. This is called gasoline, and this is going to be I score, and this is going to be a score text. Why we are naming is that while programming it will be very easy for you to find where the exactly what type of object present in hierarchy. You can able to get the file and make some changes. So that's why we are going like this. Okay, so next we are going to have restart right now we don't need while doing after certain systems. Let's we add later on. So that's it. Maybe so that's it. In the next video we'll see how to make a repeated background. So thank you.